Hey, Alexus, Beauties and Flawless Man. Welcome back to another podcast episode. We are going to have a raw and uncut conversation. Let's talk about the difference between gossiping and venting. Gossiping is messy. I don't gossip. I don't like to gossip. I don't even like to hear people gossip. Gossiping is when you're sitting around utterly just speaking death on someone all day. You're just all in that person's business. You're spreading their business. You got other people spreading their business. When somebody speaks to you and they're telling you something and you start getting like interested, like, dang, girl, he did what? Hold on, wait, back up, wait, real quick. You said, hold on, wait. So you said he came over there and did what? And then what time was that? That is gossip. That's gossip. Venting is, girl, so let me tell you what happened. So, girl, he had came up over here or whatever at like 10 or whatever, and you know what I'm saying? And you're listening. That's the difference. Now, it gets to a place in venting where you might want to say something, or because you feel that compassion and you feel that understand, you know where they're coming from. But a lot of the times, venting is not a lot of talking. That's somebody wants you to express their emotion. And you could tell when people have communication pressure built up because they just talk. And these are the people that do not talk. And Lord, I'm just so grateful that people love and they trust and they're comfortable to talk to me. I be telling you all to comment down there in the comment section. But just in general, I love communication. I love communicative people. And I do understand that a lot of people do not like to talk. And it's the presence of somebody. Come on, Jesus. It's the presence of God that when they get with somebody and they're comfortable with that person and they talk. So that's venting. I don't really ask a lot of questions. I don't ask a lot of questions. Sometimes I'm able to be wise enough to hear in their tone, if they're saying a question or, this is where, come on, Jesus, this is why I've been, asking the Lord to train me for beginners. This is why we do a lot of things for beginners. A lot of the things that we learned in school, we did away with that and we should have not. When we were learning grammar and proper communication, that is how I'm speaking right now. When we are supposed to say out words clearly and effectively, and we're supposed to speak with, the quotation mark or the period. Or the question, really? We learned that and we have to go back to that. And the Lord's will, we'll get into that in another podcast because I'm learning how to read like that. I'm learning how to speak like that, just fluently. Gossip and venting is two different things. And like I said, it gets to a point in venting where you might want to ask a question, but for the most part, venting is a listening ear, a compassionate heart. Gossip is somebody being messy and they want to know more and they want to know more and they want to know more. And people feed off gossip. There's some people out here, they can't even breathe if they ain't talking about people or getting all in somebody's business. Be careful of that in 2025. Just a real short podcast. I just wanted to let you know it's the difference between venting and gossiping. And a lot of the times people that don't communicate with people like that, people be like, oh my God, why he won't talk to me? Why he ain't tell me that? Why she ain't tell me she was feeling like that? Well, I would have never known. Because people know who to talk to and who not to talk to, because they already know who gonna gossip. They already know who they can trust with them secrets, who they vent into. So people already be knowing. People know the difference between, some people know the difference between venting and gossiping, and people be having that energy. They be knowing that I can't talk to them. So if you're a person that somebody can talk to, I just want to say this: always keep them secrets. I don't care I don't care how the relationship turn out. I don't care what somebody say. Somebody can come back to you, tell your business. Always be more wise in the situation. Don't ever tell anything that somebody told you. I don't care if them people expose you on the internet. Always be more humble. It's a difference between gossiping and venting. And if you need to vent, that is fine. But let's just stray away from the gossip in 2025.